In this video, we're going to explore how to disable tools in your D2L course. And when you get your new CCC Online course shell in D2L, you're going to see all of the tools listed in this toolbar are active. For example, if we click on this Tools submenu, all of these tools are listed by default. In communication, we're going to see all of the communication tools listed. Now you can disable some of these tools if you're not using them in your course, and that will help streamline navigation for students so they don't have to sift through any links for anything that they're not using. For example, if you're not using the live room link, you might want to disable that so that it doesn't appear in your tool list and cause confusion for your students. So to disable the tools that you're not using, we'll click on Edit Course. And then we'll scroll down here to Tools. So when we click on that, we're going to see a list of all of the tools that are active in our course. Now it's important to note here, while this does include all the tools that we see in the toolbar in our communication, assignments, and tools menus, it also includes some back-end tools that you don't visibly see. For example, IMS configuration, import, export, copy components. These are tools that are working in the background of your course. So to disable your tools that you don't want students to see in your toolbar here, you'll simply click on those tools that you wish to disable. For example, we'll choose to disable the FAQ, the glossary, the live room tool, and the locker tool because we're not using any of those. You'll then go down to Set Inactive here and click on it. And now we'll see that those tools have a red X next to them, meaning that they've been deactivated. And then we'll want to hit Save to save our changes. Now it's important to note here that those changes will take a few minutes to take effect. So we'll click on Tools and we can still see the Locker tool here. If we click on Communication, we can still see the Live Room tool here. And it just takes D2L a few minutes for those changes to take effect. And one last important thing to note is that you're going to need to make sure that you don't deactivate any tools in here that are essential for your D2L course to run correctly. Now you'll find that list of tools that you should never disable in your instructor handbook. And some of those, while you may not be using them, or while you may think that they're not important, if you disable them, they may break the content in your CCC Online course. And that's how you disable tools that you aren't using in your D2L toolbar.